This is a look ahead to next week's key political and financial events. A busy start to the week as markets sift through the noise from the G20 meeting in Moscow. Bob Parker from Credit Suisse Asset Management says it's unlikely any action will be taken against Japan as it seeks to reflate its economy with a weaker yen. Instead, the pressure on Japan may even cool off.
We've obviously seen quite a significant move in the yen against the other Asian currencies, and particularly against the Korean won, and that won-yen relationship is very important. So I actually suspect we're going to see this debate about currency wars probably calm down now as the yen stabilises, as the Swiss have achieved their objectives.
On Sunday, Cyprus goes to the polls to elect a new government tasked to negotiate a tricky bailout with international lenders. The frontrunner is Nikos Anastasiadis. He's president of the right-wing Democratic Rally Party, which backs a bailout. But the main focus next week will be the Italian elections the following weekend. The centre-left Democratic Party, led by Pierluigi Bersani, looks set to secure a majority in the lower house. But he's under pressure to ditch his leftist allies and seek a pact with outgoing Premier Mario Monti, as Silvio Berlusconi threatens to spoil the party. And a flood of economic data next week. Top among them will be the German ZEW index of investor sentiment on Tuesday and Eurozone consumer confidence on Wednesday, both expected to show an improving picture. We'll also have an interest rate decision from Turkey on Tuesday. Rates there expected to stay unchanged at 5.5%, but the central bank may increase reserve requirements. On Wednesday, we'll get the latest unemployment numbers from the UK, along with minutes from the last Bank of England policy meeting. A big one on Thursday, flash Eurozone PMIs for February, plus UK government borrowing figures for January. And we end the week with another German sentiment index, this time the IFO survey of business morale, which is expected to improve for a fourth straight month. That's in February. In the bond markets, Germany holds a 10-year Bund auction on Wednesday, and France, Spain and the UK all come to market on Thursday. Despite Spain's weak economy, it has still managed to shift almost 20% of its 2013 funding requirements. Another busy week on the earnings front too, with Carlsberg kicking off the week with fourth quarter numbers. Danone and Deutsche Börse will follow suit on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday we'll get quarterly numbers from European majors including France Telecom and Crédit Agricole. The French bank already warned its Q4 numbers would be battered by €3.8 billion in charges. That's due to ill-timed acquisitions. On Thursday, expect numbers from BAE Systems, AXA and Swiss Re. And we also get numbers from Allianz. Europe's biggest insurer has forecast an operating profit of more than €9 billion for 2012, despite the impact of Hurricane Sandy. And to close off the week, we'll get fourth quarter numbers from Air France KLM. That's a look ahead to next week, but do tune in to Reuters today for the latest financial and world news. That's at 8 GMT every weekday. I'm Jamie McGeever. This is Reuters.